I have been trying the newly revamped Nature and Science line by Redken, and I want to share with you guys my thoughts and a demo of how I use the line. So I was really excited to try this Nature and Science line by Redken because when you think about switching to a natural shampoo, Redken isn't exactly like the first brand you think about. So it was so cool to see that they created a natural brand that caters to girls like us who are into natural beauty products but don't want to compromise on something that's going to give us quality results. This line contains ingredients that are naturally sourced from nature, it is silicone free, paraben free, and even the fragrance is from 100% natural origin. So ever since I started using the products, I use the All Soft shampoo and conditioner. My hair has been so soft and so manageable, especially when it comes to detangling in the shower. And if you want to know how I use the products, keep watching. So while my hair is wet, I like to saturate it with the shampoo, and I actually had the prototype, not the final packaging. The final shampoo actually has this beautiful orange color, and the packaging is actually made from 100% recycled plastic. As you can see, I like to get all up in my hair because I tend to use a lot of products, and I actually do this process twice to remove all the buildup. I really like this shampoo because even though it's sulfate free, it cleanses my hair well without making it feel like it's been stripped. Also, it has a very light citrusy floral scent that isn't too overpowering, which I really like. The shampoo contains naturally derived birch sap from birch trees, and it helps to soften and replenish moisture so that my hair can just look and feel healthier. I like to first squeeze excess water out of my hair and then I go in with this, and that's probably why I'm all out of the product. But I really like this conditioner. It features amino acids, sugars, and enzymes that help to moisturize and soften dry, brittle hair. I comb it through my hair, and as you can see, the brush just glides effortlessly. So I love using the conditioner to just detangle my hair. And I leave it on for about 5 minutes while I do other shower related stuff. Then I blow dry my hair, pretend I'm in a shampoo commercial, or photo shoot, because that's what having really great hair makes you feel like. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the product, let me know.